Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick video I will be showing you how to download Minecraft in iPhone. First, let's open App Store and on the search bar type on Minecraft. As you can see, iPhone does not support Minecraft directly on App Store. Now the other way that we can install Minecraft is to open your browser, type on Minecraft, scroll a bit down and tap on download Minecraft and server. Now after that you'll get an option, tap on download on the App Store. Now here's the trick. You will be able to download Minecraft only via website. You have to open the website and then the website will direct you towards the App Store to download. But Minecraft is not free. As you can see, it's written 6 USD. So you have to pay to download Minecraft. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.